Hey guys, Steve here. Today I wanted to get on and do a pre-launch, a pre-review, pre-launch of a new product called Shortcut PPC or PPC Shortcut, right? And if you didn't know what PPC stands for, it stands for pay per click. Okay, now obviously it's all in what the title is, and it's a shortcut to get your campaigns up and running on Google Ads, AdWords, which is one of the biggest platforms to do pay-per-clicks out there. Just like YouTube, right? But what it is it's the secret really to most big affiliate marketers and internet marketers is they use this kind of platform to get fresh targeted leads to their offers. Whereas us newbies or intermediate folks, we might spend all day copying and pasting posts all over Facebook, all over social media to draw in one lead every 2 days or whatever. But for as little as $5, you can run a highly profitable ad campaign and start raking in $100 days. So, and also let me just disclaimer, there's no guarantee of income. Everything is all about your hustle. But anyway, that out of the way, I'm going to show you behind the scenes peek from one of the co-creators. And if I didn't say it already, this is brought to you by Traffic Domination. They have some really amazing products. Also, they have a free list building course that you can sign up to for free. And I'll leave a link for that in the description box below. But anyway, so I'll jump to the behind the scenes look at it, and then I'll talk at you soon.
Here, and we are super pumped about our upcoming launch called PPC Shortcut. Now, we are going live on the 14th of October at 10 a.m. EST. Now, let me give you a quick sneak peek into what your customers will be getting when they purchase PPC Shortcut. Now, in a nutshell, PPC Shortcut is a collection of done-for-you PPC campaigns that are properly structured and they're ready to be uploaded directly to your customer's Google Ads account. Inside this members area, they'll have access to Warrior Plus products, JVZoo products, ClickBank products, and a lot more, which is really, really cool. So once they select the affiliate campaign that they want to use, they simply select it here, and then they download the resources. Once they've downloaded the resources directly to their computer, all they need to do is head on over to the Google Ads editor, which will show them how to use inside the training program. Now, once they go here, they simply import the CSV file. Let me just quickly show you this in real time. As you can see, it'll import the thousands of keywords that we've already done the research for them. They don't have to waste time or hire an agency or do any of that. We've done all the keyword research for all of these ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo products, and we've created all the ads. Now, as you can see, in just a few seconds, we've imported 12,000 ads, and we've imported all these keywords, created all the ad groups, and this is what your customers would have normally had to do manually, but with the PPC Shortcut system, they don't have to do it manually. We've done all the hard work for them. All they need to do is simply download the CSV file, upload it to the ads editor, and then simply post it to their account by clicking this post button in the top right hand corner. Let me just quickly show you. Let me go into this campaign here. And as you can see, we have added 4,062 ad groups. This particular campaign is for the home business, make money online niche. And they don't have to do any of this keyword research. They didn't have to create these ad groups one by one. And they didn't have to add all of these adverts manually either. There's over 12,000 adverts that are ready to go. All they need to do is simply select the let me just quickly show you. They just need to select the ads, change the domain name to their domain name, and then click post. It really is that simple. We're saving them so much time, money, and energy. All they need to do is upload this directly to their Google Ads account. And as you can see, there are many, many different ClickBank products. There's JVZoo products and a series of Warrior Plus products as well. This really is a done-for-you PPC shortcut. We're really looking forward, guys, to seeing you on the leaderboard. Thanks for watching, and we'll speak to you soon.
All right.
Hey, guys,
so
it's David Cass.
let me cut that off. So basically, that's what in a nutshell, that's what you get. But also, I just wanted to let you know that on the live, which I highly recommend you go to, and I'll leave a link for that in the description below. There's also going to be giving away 2 bonuses by Wayne Crow himself. Now, let me show you. There's going to be a link. You click, and you'll be taken to this page here. And all you do is click this calendar, and you can reserve your spot to attend the live. But on the live, like I said, he's going to be giving away 2 free bonuses. Now, I can tell you from experience, I love this Traffic Dominators group, and I recommend that you join the Facebook group because it's packed with $1,000 training for free, all given by Wayne Crow and other top level marketers. But anyway, you'll be brought to this page, and this is where the live is going to take place. Now, also, I'll leave a link in the description box below for this page here, which is the pre-launch page, where it has an early bird list. So just so you know, there's an early bird discount that they're also going to give you a lot of other done-for-you traffic campaigns. So there'll be a link to take you directly to the page. You can click that and go there and join the early bird list here too. So basically, yeah, that's it. I highly suggest you attend the live so you can get those 2 free bonuses, and also copy a copy of PPC Shortcuts, because it's a game changer when it comes to marketing using Google AdWords. And here's just a little bit of testimonial here is that I thought it was so hard. I guess I thought it was complicated to start to do Google AdWords, and I thought you had to have a big budget, but ultimately you don't. You can start for as little as $5 and make a highly profitable campaign. And with anything, with ClickBank, JVZoo, Warrior Plus, which you'll get in this package. So anyway, that's all I wanted to do. I just wanted to give a very quick review of pre-review of PPC Shortcut. So copy your copy, get it, and join the live. There's always bonuses given away in these lives. And like, share, subscribe. Thanks for hanging out. I'm out.